In this video, I'll show you how to fix a USB flash drive that shows no media in Windows 11. First, connect your USB flash drive to your computer. If it is already connected, unplug it. Now, connect it to a different USB port. Wait a few seconds and check if Windows detects the USB flash drive. If the problem is still there, open File Explorer. Click This PC. Right-click your USB flash drive if it appears. Select Properties. Click the Tools tab. Under Error Checking, click Check. Follow the on-screen instructions if Windows finds any errors. When the scan is complete, close the window. If the USB flash drive still shows no media, right-click the Windows button. Select Device Manager. Expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. If you see a disabled USB mass storage device, right-click it. Select Enable Device. If the device is already enabled or the problem continues, expand Disk Drives. Find your USB flash drive. Right-click it. Select Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall to confirm. After that, unplug the USB flash drive. Wait a few seconds. Connect it again. Windows will automatically install the driver. That's it. This is how you can fix a USB flash drive that shows no media in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.